Loaded potatoes, chili edition, plus my chili recipe. Getting onions diced. While working on my knife skills, I used one small, yellow onion, then the celery stalks, diced or sliced, a whole bell pepper, or 3 to 4 mini sweet peppers. Here you could add a spicier pepper if you like. Okay guys, here's something strange took place. I normally add my meat after the veggies, cook some, or with the veggies. But somehow I forgot, then cooked it separately later. Lol. The order of all this is not too important. Just cook your meat before adding your liquid and beans. Also 1 tablespoon minced garlic. I season my veggies or the meat, whichever order you want to season is fine. 1/2 teaspoon salt, pepper. Then 1/2 teaspoons of cayenne, garlic powder, and onion powder. 1 teaspoon paprika and cumin. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Once your meat and veggies are cooked, add 1 cup beef broth. 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 can crushed tomatoes. All of this can be thrown in your pot after you brown your meat. If you don't have time to saute your veggies, it's just way more flavorful. I used a can of red beans and a can of light kidney beans. Also add 1 tablespoon brown sugar to balance it all out, but it's optional. Bring that all to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer with the lid on for minimum 20 minutes. The longer the better. I usually hope to have leftovers so I can add some to diced potatoes. I had Colby Jack cheese, then some fresh diced onions, and some jalapenos. This could all be thrown in a slow cooker after you brown your meat too. You only have to cook until beans and veggies are soft. About 4 hours on high and 6 hours on low. Make sure you cook your meat first.